If you're running ads online, one of the most important things you can do is track your results. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track conversions in Google Ads so you can see exactly how your campaigns are performing and make smarter marketing decisions. To get started, open your browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Enter your login details to access your dashboard. If you're already a Google Ads user, you'll be taken straight to your main account overview. Inside your dashboard, you'll notice a menu running down the left side of the screen. Take a moment to scroll through until you find an option labeled Goals. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where Google Ads keeps all your conversion tracking tools organized. When the Goals page opens, navigate to the Summary section. This area gives you a clear snapshot of how your conversions are currently set up. You'll find important metrics, insights, and a quick view of how your campaigns are contributing to your business objectives. Now it's time to begin the actual setup. Look for an option that says Set up Conversion Tracking. Clicking this will launch Google's guided process for creating your conversion actions. Conversion tracking helps you understand what customers do after interacting with your ads. Maybe they purchase a product, sign up for your newsletter, submit a form, or even call your business. These actions are what Google Ads considers conversions, and setting them up correctly lets you measure what really matters to your business. As you go through the setup steps, Google will ask you to define what type of conversion you want to track. This can be website activity, phone calls, app installs, or other key actions. Choose the one that best represents success for your campaign. Then follow the prompts to add the tracking tag to your website or connect any needed tools. Once your conversion is created and tracking is enabled, Google Ads will begin recording results in real time. This means you'll start seeing exactly which ads, keywords, or audiences are bringing in the outcomes you care about most, and that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. Now, you'll be able to monitor your campaign performance more accurately and make data-driven decisions that improve your results over time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get even more value from your Google Ads campaigns.